The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall, skilla. We come in the supermarket to buy cheese. Empty pan. So when we come in the supermarket, we take up the cheese, and we take up the cheese, look here. All of the pan them empty. All of them empty, see there? Empty. Empty because them say they might thief the cheese too much. So them put on all empty pans, so when you go to the cashier now you tell them what size they want. See there? All the pan empty. All the cheese pan empty. I never see this from a barn.
Viewers and subscribers, can you believe it? Empty cheese containers on display in a supermarket to prevent the cheese from being stolen, or you could say shoplifted. You see me? Now, I am saying these things because of some things that I heard in that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? So I'm just giving you the understanding that I got from some of the things that have been said in that video. You see? And you know, I somewhat believe some of the things that have been said in that video because some time ago I posted a video that is circulating on social media where it is said that females got caught on camera stealing cheese from a food store or a supermarket somewhere out there. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, for those who have never seen that video, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to the video that I'm talking about. You see me, I said to you? Alright? And you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a hostile confrontation between a police officer and a motorist somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, this video is being talked about on social media. I mean, many comments have been made about this video on social media. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video as well. Alright? You can look at this video and tell me who you think was wrong from who you think was right. You can tell me if you think the police harassed the motorist or if the motorist should have complied with the police or what. You can let me know what you think about this video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Take me lights. Now we come for me lights again, not a lights, right? And tell me what? Go to the station. You coming in me bus here? You guys over you like I did that pull up the day in. Pick up there.
How you got that for the irritation?
I never feel like start document.
Now, viewers and subscribers, According to some things that I saw in that video, I wonder if the police officer saw that someone was video recording what was going on and then decided to calm down after he saw that someone was video recording what was going on. You see? You see? Because me look at the video, you know, and I saw that he looked and saw that other persons was around and looking at what was going on. You see me? So I wonder if he calmed down because he realized that someone was video recording. I am not saying that is what happened, you know. I am wondering. You see me? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, alright? You can let me know who you think was wrong from who you think was right and the whole thing, you see me? Alright, so big up and respect to my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show how landslide affected houses somewhere within a community that is located somewhere out there in the world. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. But however, this video shows how landslide moved houses somewhat out of their foundations. You see what I'm saying to you? And that's just my point of view. However, you know, I'm going to present the video to you, and you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video, and I hope that persons really can learn from this video as well. You see me? Alright? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Well, this is the current situation with the slippage in Moline. Just to put things in context, that walkway used to be at the same level with the road. This garage used to be at the same level with the road. A significant drop. So this is what it is like right now. The roof is almost road level now. See, there seems to be construction going up on top of the hill there. That's interesting. Yeah, I see somebody is building something up there, but okay. So this is part of the road all the way down there. See that? So it's almost entirely gone now. Almost entirely gone. For people who used to risk coming here with their vehicle, I don't think they would like to try that now. It's about 50 feet. About 40 to 50 feet. Yep, so that is it. It's all the way down. So have a look. So you see that? There's another house that's breaking apart there. Well, you could see there. There's construction going up to the top there. And here There's another building all the way down. This one has fallen already. See? So this is yep, so that is it. It's a beautiful area actually. Very beautiful. The underwater sculpture park is right there. One of the most beautiful things you'll ever experience in your life. Put on your goggles and head down. It's beautiful. So folks, that's it. That's the situation here. So this used to be the edge of the road. It's now about 4 feet, 5 feet remaining of space. Down there is about 40 feet to 40 or 50 to where the road has collapsed. Yep, so that's the current situation here.
Viewers and subscribers, some of the times I see persons build some mansion pan 3 column or 4 or 5 column or whatsoever amount of column, and I say to myself, you know, say me nah run them the risk there with my life. No, me nah discriminate no one's home, you know. Each to them own and everyone know what them can be comfortable with. But me, I tell a man this, you see me? If me I go build my house to a certain place, the amount of columns when me I go want, somebody I go look at me and say, John, no Dancehall skilla, you know, easy, you know. But I just saw me feel, you see me? Some of the times me see some persons build some mansion on some hillside, me I say to myself, say, John, no. Me don't think I really want to do that with my money or with my life, you know. But, you know, each them one. You see me I say, and, you know, at the end of the day still, when you go at those houses show some very good sceneries, some good views of the cities and all these things. So, you know, me get it why a lot of persons build them house like that, you understand me? But Jano, you know, some of the times Mother Nature can be harsh. You see me I say? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla. Tin.